I'm collaborating in different initiatives. As I mentioned during the presentation today, I'm part of the Spanish Observatory Odisea, and we are working on different projects related to ethics and responsible AI in order to support the implementation of the sandbox, the AI Act. In my personal time, I'm also creating specifications to explain how to implement transparency for European companies or companies working in Europe. And after that, I'm teaching also different topics at university level on ethics and responsible AI. I was doing a presentation just to showcase the capabilities of generative AI in a realistic way with different kind of models, including the European models. And the idea was to explain the technology aspects related to performance and what we can do, use cases. So after that, we can discuss all the ethical and responsible AI topics. In different initiatives I'm working on, we are collaborating with institutions like the Linux Foundation, which is technically international, AI Verify in Singapore, and we are trying to cooperate and to share material on how to demonstrate transparency and how to operate AI models and how to put them in production, because all these challenges and opportunities are very international, and the approaches are converging. I feel like it's a continuous work in progress. I don't think that this will be done in 1, 2 months, 2 years. We need to continue developing frameworks and measures for companies to adopt and to create artificial intelligence in a safe way. But we are closer, and we are developing that from the design. We are thinking about regulations even before things are happening, so I think that that's a very positive thing. I think in that sense, stakeholders can include sort of activities from the design of the projects. This is not about models or creating a solution, a technical solution anymore. It's about creating a design process that will involve end users, professionals, SMEs, so they can test the solution even before it becomes a reality. And this is not only for generative AI, it's for artificial intelligence in general. It makes a lot of sense. It guarantees that it will be covering the actual needs of the users, and that they will be adopting it, knowing the potential and the considerations of the solutions. I think the ideal future will be something where we are finding a good balance of innovation and regulation, something in which we are classifying the kind of applications that we can have with artificial intelligence, that we are also doing that with regulation, and that we are actually making the most of these technologies, because there is a huge positive potential that we have seen. Even in 10 minutes we could demonstrate that. Imagine what we can create, but always with this human-machine collaboration, with these human values aligned to fundamental rights. I think that that's pretty much a perfect future.